Okay, boys and girls, we are going to work on some dictation today. All right, first, let's listen to our first sentence. The block has a clock on it. Let's count the words. The block has a clock on it. That is 7 words. Our first word is the. And we know how to spell the. It's on the word wall. T-H-E. The. Our next word is block. Let's say the sounds in block. 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 The block, our next word is has. That is a sight word, or we can sound it out as, and we know the S can make the Z sound. The block has a clock. Let's say the sounds in clock. Clock. The block has a clock on. On is a sight word. O-N. On it. Our last word is it. Let's sound it out. It. Now I want to make sure that I have a capital letter at the beginning. Do you have a capital letter at the beginning? And I also want to make sure that I have a punctuation mark at the end. Do you have a punctuation mark? All right, great job. Now let's go to our next sentence. Our next sentence is, they were not in class. All right, our first word is they. Ooh, let's count it. They were not in class. 5 words. The first word is they. Let's look on the word wall. T-H-E-Y. They. Our next word is were. That is a sight word. Let's spell it. W-E-R-E. Were. They were not. We can say the sounds in that word. Not. They were not in class. Let's say the sounds in that word. Class. And I'm going to double my S because I always, after a short vowel word, double F, L, S, and Z. You are telling me something, so I'm going to put a period. Then I'm going to double check. Did I start it with a capital letter? And did I end it with a punctuation mark? All right, great job, boys and girls.